and it's just not working. So I just figure like, what do I do? Like, what's the thing that gets you
How
those
many
long
long
shots?
did you get?
I'm up to like 53 or something out of 100. Like, and it's taken me like a long time to do that. Like I get one or
I'll have
two.
to check how many.
Dude, like
Battle
with
Royale.
I don't know, like pick a
Alright,
gun,
soldier.
the M4, I don't know,
Point
whatever,
14.
Grau. Like I can get
Gas is
sometimes
closing on your position.
10,
Suggest
15
you
in
get
a
moving.
game in like
Oh, yeah.
shoot house. You know, sometimes 0, but sometimes like 10 or 15. And this like at
Yeah.
best I get like 2. You know, it's just so hard.
Yeah, it's so long. It's so long. I'm gonna go check and see how many headshots I have after this one.
Yeah.
Long shots without thinking about it.
Yeah. So, you know, I'm trying, but
Enemy soldier incoming. You're clear to engage all targets.
is somebody above us or below us or something? I don't know. Yep, above us, above me, in this extension here.
Got a grenade launcher.
Well, he's
Show me how
gonna.
to use that gun.
He's definitely above me. He's trying to figure out how to get in.
Huh.
All right, go loot shit, and I'll take him out when he gets. All right, fuck this guy.
I am looting shit. That's for sure.
Oh, there it is. Oh, he's definitely on the fucking roof. This fucking guy. Alright. I'm gonna go on the roof. Alright. Gotta go after him, I guess.
Alright.
Fucking loser. Alright, here, let's see what happens.
Coming. I'm gonna take the zip line.
Where'd he go? Could have sworn he was still up here, but he's gone. I'll see him. Alright, well I covered pretty much the whole roof. He's not up here.
Alright, I'm coming up the zip line.
Oh, the end? Yeah.
Alright, let's go get Lodi.
Yep. Oh shit. Alright, almost fell in.
You're losing ground.
Shit, I fell down.
Oh, is that you?
No, I'm down.
Oh shit, no fucking heartbeat.
Did you get him?
Yeah, I got him. He brought his buddy back. So I'm looking for his buddy in the air.
Got the drop bag inbound.
That guy was not happy when I killed him, so.
Oh no. Oh shit, alright, I need to get a UAV too, hold on.
A UAV? Yeah, yeah. Hit it up. Pop it.
Allied UAV overhead.
Moving up.
Yep, let's go. Ooh, they're coming at us. Probably coming
At
to the
us? Yeah, yeah, maybe.
back. No, up the ridge, up the ridge.
Yeah, yeah, well, they're coming towards the buy, yeah? Shit, I got no cover. We're in to your, to your left, yep.
You're getting shot from somewhere, do you know where?
Yeah, police station. Nope, nope, nope. Not police station necessarily, somewhere over that direction.
Okay.
Take your money and go buy another UAV.
Yep. Be right back.
Pop it.
Allied UAV overhead.
Oh, they're fucking way far away.
Moving up.
We should have crossed towards... Oh shit, that guy's moving.
Moving up.
Yeah, they're on top of that fucking stupid ass building over there.
Alright, I got an airstrike.
Huh. Okay. That could work.
Just sitting on the ground, so I grabbed it.
Alright, well, oh, we got another one behind us.
Allied precision airstrike incoming.
Oh
Beware.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Good, you put that on them. Go get that guy. It's the train station. Hey, you can't come to train station. It's our train station. Yeah, you bought some
Goddamn
back.
right it is.
Contact.
You went around the corner. Yep, right there.
His buddy's on the
On the
roof.
roof, on the roof.
Moving now.
You got eyes
Nope, I don't see him.
on anyone? The roof?
Nope,
Anything?
I see no one. Nope, nothing.
Okay, I'm going up anyway.
Alright, coming.
Oh.
Friendly drop bag headed your way.
Heading this
Yeah.
way.
Gas is closing. Get to the new safe zone.
Alright, well, I got that guy.
Enemy UAV overhead.
44 meters. That way.
Heading this way.
Up top. Over there, somewhere on the roof, probably. Keep an eye. Yeah, yeah, good, good, good.
Oh, someone called a loadout right here.
Good, good, good. Shoot him, coming, I'm coming.
What?
Good, good. Alright, nobody's on heartbeat now. Alright, I need to get a UAV.
Yep.
Oh, we
Yeah,
are.
let's go do it.
Yeah, I got one. Here, I can give you 900 for your... to get one.
Yep, cool.
Each get one. No, it's the other side. Shit.
Gas is moving.
Wrong way, wrong way. Alright, ready?
Here, drop me the money here.
I don't have drop 900 though. I gotta.
Oh, you can't. You're right. You're right. Okay.
We're in the
Oh,
circle.
oh.
Get ready, boys.
They're driving away. Ready? I'll buy one and drop the rest.
Yep.
Alright, go back top.
Okay.
When we get up there, I'll pop one. We'll see what if anything's going on the roof.
Requesting recon flyover.
This is Falcon 3-0. Good
Yep,
copy.
right there on the
UAV
roof.
beginning
Mark out, I'm
flyover.
Far side roof.
Pretty far away.
Is out of fuel.
What?
Returning to resupply.
Pretty far away.
They are, but they're on the roof. Fuck, come on, jump, you idiot. Alright, forget it.
They just jumped. I just saw them parachute off.
Which way? Left or right?
Left. That way.
Great.
Okay.
Enemy UAV overhead.
Don't be too aggressive, alright?
No. I'm chilling here.
Claymore set.
I gotta watch this zip line here if we're gonna hang out up here.
Yep. Alright. Alright, we got nothing on heartbeats, the last one, so...
Well, we're gonna find out where the circle goes in 20 seconds. So that'll.
Terrible placement.
Gas is inbound. Marking new safe zone.
Yeah, we are still in the zone.
Someone called in loadout on top of
Where
Virgin.
On top of Virgin?
Top of Virgin. Yeah. I don't see the guys, but I saw the red smoke.
Son of a bitch. Have you fought fought on the train yet, or no?
Oh. Nope, I have not.
All right, next drop, we're doing the train. It's
Okay.
it's fucking nutty, dude. It's like it's moving, and people are jumping on and off, like just shooting each other. They're like, it's, I don't know.
Good to go.
It's an interesting. I mean, it's not a good thing, but it's an interesting thing to do once or twice, you know.
Yeah.
Gas is moving.
We should go get that loadout for a ghost or whatever.
True. Let's do it.
Move it. Yep.
Yeah, I mean, nothing's happening up here anyway.
I mean, we could shoot the helicopter. That would make things happen. But who's that? Is that you? That's not you.
No,
What happened?
not me.
I don't see anything. Where is it?
Right below us. So we gotta be careful here.
Yeah. No one's on heartbeat though. Must be ghosted already.
Yep.
That's unlikely.
That's not. We already
Oh, I
have
guess
our
they.
loadout
Yeah, I
drop.
guess they could have got. Yeah. You're right. You're right. All right, you want to just go fucking go for it?
Okay.
All right, here we go. Then we go back on the roof.
That's good.
For the fun games.
I'm getting sniped at from somewhere.
Behind or front?
Towards train. From train.
Train?
Or somewhere around.
Really?
Yeah.
All right.
Yep. He might be up on the dome or something like that.
The dome. That's where I'm going.
I mean, it was only one shot.
Yeah, but still, this guy's somewhere shooting at you. Yep, there he is.
See him?
Team wipe.
There you go. Pretty simple. Simple stuff.
Oh yeah, no problem. Jesus Christ.
It's really easy. It's really easy. You can make it look cute.
Free kill.
Freak out. Told you he was there, and you just killed him.
Oh shit. This guy's got. He's got HDR and Bruin.
Yep, that's my loadout.
There you go.
You fucker. I have armor bots, by the way.
Oh shit, we're
This is good too.
okay. This is good. We're good. This is good. Okay, we're
Enemy
good.
UAV overhead.
We're good. Stay in the fucking
When
on the
were
roof.
we not good?
Oh
we're always
well,
good.
you know, we're always good. True. Stay on the roof in this fucking shit. Kill everybody. Hold the roof. The roof is ours.
We own the fucking roof.
The roof is ours. Stay away from the roof.
Don't get shot in the back.
Yeah.
Just don't get shot in the
Yeah.
back by the zipline.
Don't get shot in the back. Good, smart. I got heartbeat. Got nothing. I mean, I could pretty much pick up the sniper if I wanted. Alright, I'm gonna pick up the sniper.
Don't get you.
Where? Oh,
Yeah.
well, over the... Yeah, okay, gotcha.
I mean, he's just hopping around. I don't even really have a sniper shot on him, but they're there.
Yeah, I see him too, but...
Gas is inbound.
Oh, that was low.
Are you taking a shot anyway?
I stole this guy's guns.
We're in the circle. Get ready, boys.
That's too high. I'm not good at this range. It's really freaking far.
Yeah, it's far.
Also, this gun is not the best gun. I mean, for this range.
Yep.
Alright, don't let this
He's all right.
distract us
It's
from...
not worth my.
Yeah,
It's not worth my sniper.
don't let this distract us from...
I think that was for us, but they missed badly.
Don't let it distract us from proper gunfights here. Alright, I see nobody yet. We got 37 seconds before this shit's closed.
Yeah, this is the slowest moving gas I've ever seen.
Yeah, because we're on the short side of it.
Yep.
Hopefully it comes our way and we can just hold this roof for the wind, but chances are we're going to have to jump off and go high hill over there
Mark
somewhere.
out, I'm going. Wait, cancel that.
But we don't have to do that yet, so just hold it.
Fighting's done. The area's cleared out.
Yep, that's what we got to.
Gas inbound.
We can still hold the
Safe
roof,
zone
but we got to
relocated.
hold the edge of the roof.
Yep. It's fine.
Yeah, just give it a couple of seconds, and then we'll run over there.
Friendly drop bag headed your way.
Oh, where's that? Is it on the roof? It's on the roof. Oh, we don't need it though, do
It's
we?
gonna land on the roof. It's gonna land on the
Yeah,
roof.
yeah,
no, we don't need it.
We don't. I have ghost. You have ghost. I'm fully loaded. You're fully loaded, probably. Yeah. I have everything I need.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
I still have a UAV, so
You have UAV.
Hold
Good,
on.
good, good.
Only 25 remain.
Still heartbeats. Nothing. Just be careful, those guys who were on that roof. You know, you don't want them
Yep.
to screw us over.
there's for sure gonna be guys on these hills in a second here.
Oh yeah, no problem. Definitely.
Enemy UAV overhead.
I don't see anyone up there yet, though.
No. It's hard to kind of see with all these trees, but no, I don't.
Oh,
Ooh,
yeah.
someone's coming up.
Enemy contact! I'm taking fire! Get down, move!
Gas is closing. Get to the
Didn't
new safe
snipe
zone.
that. Careful.
From where?
Just
Okay.
that direction.
Okay.
Move in position.
All right. Do I have a gas mask? No.
Oh
Yeah,
shit.
Shit.
Shit. What we want to.
Do they have gas masks?
What we want to do is wait to the end and then. Oh no, we don't. We want. Fuck. We want to be.
Moving up.
Is that you pushing? Oh, it is. Okay.
I
Okay.
had to grab plates.
All right. We gotta go. We gotta go up that way.
Okay,
I
moving.
think.
Here, armor box. I'm using it, so hold it if you need it.
Okay.
Less than 10 enemies remain.
We got a long way to the safe zone. Come on.
Watch your six. Watch your. Oh. To the. Down. Kill confirmed.
Guy coming across here.
Where,
Two
where,
teams over is
Hostile.
Good kill.
down.
Kill him.
Got them both, I think.
Shit.
Stop.
I'm dead.
Okay.
Gas
Fuck.
is closing. Get to the new safe zone. 5 remaining.
Oh, I shot his teammate. He got me in the back. Fuck. Damn it.
Damn it.
5
Third.
standing. Next time we take the win. The enemy took that one. We'll be back to finish the job.
That was
marked.
another one. That was the same shit, man. Like, yep.
Yep.